Hey everybody, this is R. Aravind. Now we are talking about types of departmentation. From first year, Department of Departmentation. Departmentation by functions, departmentation by product or service, departmentation by regions or territory, departmentation by customers, departmentation by process, departmentation by time, departmentation by numbers. Function departmentation. Grouping of departmentation is done on the basis of function such as production, finance, marketing, sales, purchase, and personnel. Further subdivision of functions may be formed like marketing can be divided into advertisement, sales, and after sales. Merits of departmentation by function. Simplicity. Functional departmentation is simple and common form of departmentation. Specialization. Functional departmentation follows the principles of specialization. Special knowledge and skill helps high-level operation of the organization functions. Better coordinations. Function departmentation facilitates better coordination among departments, different functions and employees. Optimum utilization of resources. Functional departmentation focuses on the optimum utilization of both human and non-human resources. Demerits of departmentation. There is very high chance of conflict among departments and other functional areas. Slow decision making. Because of numbers of specialists and experts and many departments, decision making process is slow in the type of departmentation. High supervision cost. There are many supervisors in the type of organization, so supervision cost is very high. Lack of innovation and creativity. Functional departmentation emphasis on high-level speed production by the help of specialized and skilled employees. Departmentation by product. Companies with diversified product lines frequently create departmental units based on the product. To departmentalize on a product basis means to establish each major product in a product line as an independent unit within the overall structure of the company. For instance, retail stores may organize their operations to meet the needs of specific customers grouped by forming special departments to cater housewares, menswears, children's clothing and so forth. Merits and demerits of product. Advantages of product departmentation. Product departmentation follow the principles of specialization in a product or services. It ensures better equality of the product. Because of specialization, it ensures optimum utilization of human and non-human resources. Large manufacturing firms can be benefited from product departmentation. Departmentation by product and service helps in evaluating the performance of each department. This helps to control organization easily. Top level management has enough time for planning and decision making because all departments are handled by the government managers. Demerits of departmentation by product. There is high chance of conflict between different departments due to low demand. Resources may not be fully utilized. Top level management has to face difficulty to control production division. Departmentation managers and supervisors may ignore overall organizational objectives because focus only on the departmentation. It is very costly and not suitable for small and medium-sized firms. Departmentation by territory. When several activities of an enterprise are geographically dispersed in different locations, territorial or geographical departmentation may be adopted. All activities related to a particular area or zone may be grouped together. Advantages and disadvantages of territory. Advantages of territory. Places responsibility at a low level, places emphasis on local markets and problems. Improves coordination in a region, takes advantages of economic of local operations. Face-to-face communication with local interest. Furnishes measurable training ground for general managers. Disadvantages of territory. Require more person with general manager abilities. Tends to make maintenance of economical central service difficult and may require services such as personnel and purchasing at the regional level. Increases problem of top management control. Customer departmentation. Customer departmentation, grouping activities on the basis of common customers or types of customers. Jobs may be grouped according to the type of customer served by the organization. Advantages of disadvantages of territory. Advantages of customer departmentation. Encourages centralization on customer needs, gives customer feeling that they have an understanding supplier, develop expertise in the customer area, saves customer time. Disadvantages of customer departmentalization. It may be difficult to coordinate operation between competing customer demands, requires managers and staff expecting customer problems. Departmentation by process. Departmentation by the process is logical when the machinery or equipment and requires special skill for operating, or is a large capacity which eliminates organizational dividing, or as technical faculties which strongly suggest a concentration organization. Advantages of process. Advantages of process departmentation. In the process departmentation, this is proper division of work, so it is effective form of departmentation. Top level management is oriented toward the best result, so there is proper operation. Departmentation by process follows the following of specializations. Then there is clear authority responsibility in each department. Disadvantages of process. There is high chance of conflict in process departmentation. This type of departmentation is only suitable for large manufacturing firms. It is difficult to maintain effective coordination. Departmentation by time. In some organization where work is performed through day and night, the work is divided into shifts. Thus, when organization works in 3 shifts, 3 departments exist. For example, public service institutes like hospital, police stations and fire brigades work around the clock. Demerits of the departmentation. This is costly method of departmentation. Entire shift may face problem due to the problem of one shift. That is very difficult to maintain effective coordination and proper communication among different shifts. Time-based departmentation faces the problem of conflict between managers and employees of different shifts. This type of departmentation is not suitable for all types of organizations, especially to small and medium-sized firms. Thank you for this opportunity. On the clear PPT, please check the description.